Hello. Hope you guys are all doing well. So, today I wanted to talk to you guys kind of about how I make my customers feel special that they bought from me and to keep coming back to me. Because we all know in the direct sales world, we're not the only one that they can buy this product from, but we want to be the only one that they want to buy the product from. So, they're definitely not going to do it off your copied website from everybody else. So, you have to do something special. To make those customers love you and know you and build a relationship with you because they buy from you for a reason. So, I'm going to give you guys some of the tips that I have used that have gotten good reaction from my customers that have returned. So, the first thing that I do is as soon as somebody buys anything from me, unless it's like in person at a vendor event and I don't have their address, if they buy directly off of my website, I'm going to send them a thank you card, a handwritten, wrist hurting thank you card. Thank you for supporting me and my small business. And then I put, not just like, appreciate it, thanks. I put something directly, like I put my why in there. So I put thank you for supporting my small business that allows me to stay home and homeschool my girls. So that makes them feel connected, like they have helped impact my life positively. So whatever your why is, thank them for supporting that because that's what they just did. Whether they bought one solid set for like $16 and you made like whatever off of it, it doesn't matter because they supported you. So you're going to send out that handwritten thank you. And then what I also do with it is I'm like, the best gift I've ever gotten is the gift of your referral. And I throw in 2 or 3 little sample packs because you know they're going to tell somebody about it, somebody that you don't know. So I'm like, if you don't mind, I'd love if you shared these with somebody that you know would love them. And I've never had anybody be like, I'm not doing that. I always put in there, though, that if the set that I send perfectly matches their manicure, then they have my permission to keep it and make theirs cuter. So that takes me to the second thing that I do. If I have a matching sample for a set that somebody has bought, I'm going to send it to them because I want them to see how awesome they can make their own manicure and how easy it is. So they might not go buy 2 sets and open them to get that super awesome Pinterest manicure. But if you mail them a Tokyo Lights, which goes with anything, and you're like, hey girl, just wanted you to have these samples so that you can add to your manicure because I just saw you bought a set and I thought it would match perfect. Somebody buys Moon River, probably going to send them some Steel City. You know, just little things like that. And then they're like, oh my gosh, she's paying attention. So what else I do? I have 2 children. I know that it only takes a few strips to do a kid's manicure. That's why these things are amazing. So if I'm mailing my customer a set, a lot of my friends like buy directly from me. So I send it out in the mail or I meet them. I'm going to throw in some sample packs and be like, hey girl, go join my Facebook group. Watch this video of me doing McKenna's manicure with 2 sample packs, and I put in a manicure for your kid because they might not want to share their extra strips, or the kid might not want this set that they have, and then the kid feels special, and then you've made their night easy because their kid's up. So simple little things like that, guys. You got to think out of the box. The next thing that I do is if they order through the website and I know them, like I have their contact information, whatever. If they order through me, I mean, not the website. So say, I have women that'll message me and be like, I need this, 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 and this. So I go on, I order it for them. I either have them pay me through cash or PayPal. And then I'm going to send them updates. So I'm going to be like, hey girl, I got your order put in, obviously. Hey, your order's shipped today. Okay, yay. Hey, your order's going to be there on Tuesday at 8. Great. Hey, did you get your order? And it might seem like it's pestering to you, but I have gotten so many people be like, thank you for following up and making sure. I had one lady that got a wrong set mailed to her, and it took forever to get there. And had I not asked, she might not have told me, and she might have just got a bad taste in her mouth for the company. Turns out there was something with the hurricane that held it up, and, they worked with me, and we got it figured out, and she was happy. But what if I had never contacted her, and I was just like, I ordered it, she's good. But she wasn't. And I knew that because I asked her. And then about 3 to 4-ish days after they get their sets, unless it's somebody that's ordered a whole bunch and I know they haven't put them on yet, especially for your first time customers. I'm going to be like, hey girl, are you loving your set? And I would love to see a picture. See, because then they're going to send you a picture of it, because they're like, whoop whoop, I did great. You're going to take that picture, you're going to put it everywhere, your group, your business page, and you're going to tag them. And then their friends are going to be like, what is this? And then that's when you send a thank you card with the 2 samples in it. Like, girl, give these to somebody that you think would love them. And they will, guys. It's not work. They want to help you grow your business. They're already supporting you. They're going to be telling people about it. People are going to ask about their nails. You might as well give them something to hand it to them. And they're going to believe them over you, because they know you're trying to sell them. They're not. They just like it. So it's so great. Referrals are like key, and you can get the referrals while serving your customers. So probably the most important thing that I've done is I think it's called Notebook on my HP, and I track my customers like the freaking FBI, guys. I know their birthdays, most of them. I know what kind of style they like. So do they like glitters? Do they like solids? Do they buy more than one? Do they like the holiday collection? Do they not like the holiday collection? I'm tracking all of that stuff. Why am I tracking that? Because I'm not going to constantly harass them about nails. I'm going to keep like the open lines of communication as far as like, how you doing? What's up? I'm going to like their post. I'm going to do all that. But when the new line drops and I know that this girl is all about the glitters, I'm going to tell her. And I'm not going to be spammy to her because she's my customer. I've kept that relationship open, and I'm helping her by telling her that this new line has dropped. So here's some things that I do track. If they have kids, do they have daughters? Can you send them a manicure for their kid? When's their birthday? Again, what's their favorite style of nails? I have one lady that like literally just buys blue. I'm going to tell her about every new blue set that comes out forever. What do they do for a living? Are they a nurse? Do they work at a nursing home? Do they feel strongly about any causes? Do they have special education children, an autistic child? Has breast cancer negatively affected them? These are things that you build and you learn as the relationship goes. But if you think you're going to remember, you're not. So you got to create something and you got to write it down. And it might seem like a waste of time in the beginning, but it has helped so much when the new sets come out. And I'm like, I remember this girl telling me about her grandma. Why do I remember that? Because it's in her little page on my notes. And I remember. And so, not just trying to sell her something, I care. And I think that she would like that. And it's something that she cares about. And that's the way that you build a relationship with your customer, because she could buy Color Street from anybody. She could go to the website and they'd tell her who to buy it from. So you need to make yourself special to your customers. So, y'all let me know if you have any questions. Go out there and appreciate your customers, because they are helping you. And let them know that, and let them know what they're helping you do. See y'all next time.